So this is Super China assignment dated 10/8, sorry 11/8, dated 11/8 botany. First question: when E. coli with normal DNA is allowed to replicate in a medium having N15, a heavy isotope of nitrogen, what is the percentage of normal DNA and heavy DNA strands formed after 3 generations of replication respectively? So I took here, this is N14 and 14, it is replicated N15. So 2 hybrid DNAs are formed. Next, second time it is replicated, only 1 hybrid DNA, sorry, 2 hybrid DNAs, remaining are heavier DNAs, and after third replication, total 8 DNAs are formed, that is 16 strands are formed. Among the 16 strands, N14 2 strands and N15 14 strands. So N15 is 87.5, N14 is 12.5, option 3 is correct. Then question number 2, identify the correct statement from the following, that is here, all the statements are correct, option 4. Then question number 3, statement 1, DNA replication is not only fast but also accurate. Statement 2, the replication is continuous on leading strand and discontinuous on lagging strand. So both the statements are here. Statement, it is statement 2 is here. Of course, both the statements are correct here. Then question number 4, hybrid DNA N15, N14 I took here is allowed to replicate for twice. After replicating first, one is hybrid DNA, another is lighted DNA. After replicating twice, we find here one is hybrid DNA, remaining 3 are lighted DNAs. So lighted DNAs are 3, heavier DNAs are 0, hybrid DNA is 1, option 1, that is 3, 0, 1. Question number 5, a failure in cell division after DNA replication can result in, that is here, polyploidy as well as chromosomal anomaly, option 4. Question number 6, Escherichia coli fully labeled with N15 is allowed to grow in N14 medium. The 2 strands of DNA molecule of first generation of bacteria have, this is here, a different density but resemble the parent DNA. Question number 7, the fragments of lagging strand are later joined by molecular glue that is called as DNA ligase. Question number 8, during replication of DNA, Okazaki fragments are formed in the direction of, that is 5 to 3 direction. Question number 9, heavier DNA is allowed to replicate for 2 generations of medium containing N14. How many DNA molecules are formed for each category? That is the same type that we did here. That is fourth option, 0 to 2. Question number 10, study the following and identify the incorrect statement regarding DNA replication. That is here, the replication discontinues with polarity 3 to 5 direction. No, nothing will be 3 to 5 direction, everything will be only in 5 to 3 direction. So option 2 is incorrect here. That is 10th question, option 2. Okay, thank you.